Hello, I am out here today in Ocean City, New Jersey. I am up here on the boardwalk to check out a couple of different things. Just went down to see the new pirate ship at Playland's Castaway Cove, but I also wanted to come down, check out and see what they're doing at the old Wonderland Pier, which was a staple of my childhood. I could not come for their last day of operation, but I'm gonna go see what they're doing with the construction down here at the old Wonderland Pier. The old Wonderland building, Ferris wheel is in the background. I believe they are going to save the Ferris wheel. The new owners, I believe this is going to be a Icona hotel property. I'm now standing in front of the old building where the indoor rides were housed. There's old poles that are sticking up out of the boardwalk. This time of year, they would put the Wonderland blocks on, and they would rotate, and it would say or spell out Wonderland. All of the old murals are gone on the building. They're doing some painting right now. I'm going to take a peek inside. It looks like, from what I can see right now, that the old rides that used to be on the inside at least are gone. So it looks like, I don't know if it will come out or not, that there are a couple of like old amusement cars in there. There's an old like vending machine in there, but it looks like a lot of the rides and stuff have already been removed. And it is pretty sad, because like I said, this was a staple of my childhood. I came here a lot when I was younger, not in recent years, but there are some good memories made here. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I will get back out here and do more Ocean City and other fun videos coming up in this warm weather season.